Every composite number can be factored into a product of prime numbers. Such a factorization is called the prime factorization of that composite number. And this first example is asking us to find the prime factorization of 36. We first factor this number any way that we can, such as 36 is the result of 4 times 9. Each of these numbers are not prime, so we break them down further. 4 is the result of 2 times 2, each of which is prime, so we're done here. 9 can be broken down into 3 times 3. Each of them are prime numbers. So we're done. We have found the prime factorization of 36. It breaks down into 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, all of which are prime numbers and multiplied to equal 36. In this next example, find the prime factorization of 1050. Again, it can be broken down any way, and if we choose, we can break it down into 10 times 105. Neither of these are prime, so we will break them down further. 10 is the result of 2 times 5, each of which are prime. We're done there. 105 is divisible by 5, so we might choose to express 105 as 5 times 21. The 5 is prime, so we're done there, but 21 is not. 21 can be broken down into 3 times 7, each of which is a prime number. So then we gather up all of the prime factors to answer the question then. The prime factorization of 1050 is 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 7. Not necessarily in that order, but needing each one of those prime factors.